How to add the reminders widget to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App, 9 Setting, scroll down and click on Wallpaper and Style. After click on Wallpaper and Style, click on Lock Screen. After click on Lock Screen, click on Widgets. After click on Widget, scroll down and click on Reminders. If you want to add reminder widget to the lock screen, so you will select widget from here. After select widget and click on done, you will see reminder widget is add on lock screen. After the process, click on done, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add the reminder widget to the home lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.